Did you realize that the aches and pains that you feel in your hands might originate higher in the body? In this video, I will guide you through a gentle hand massage, and all you'll need is somewhere comfortable to sit and either some hand cream or some lotion. If you don't know me, my name is Tiffany. I am the founder of Anderson Therapeutics and an alternative healthcare provider. My Aging Well channel shares my 3 key concepts and my holistic approach to health. One of these concepts is called Soothe, and that's simply a category of ways that I am managing chronic pain. This includes techniques like massage and reflexology. Follow along and join me for some self-care and relaxation, either before you're nourishing yourself with a delicious meal, or perhaps you are settling in for the night and preparing for sleep. Let's take a moment to settle in, and wherever you are, find a comfortable seated position and gently just rest your hands on your lap. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. As I mentioned earlier, when our hands and even our wrists begin to ache, the source of that discomfort often begins much higher in the body. So before we focus on the hands during this massage, we'll begin by releasing the tension through our shoulders, our arms, and our wrists. And you know your body better than anyone, so as we move through these massage techniques, please focus on the pressure and the movements that feel right for you. Let's begin with some gentle shoulder shrugs. We're going to inhale as we lift our shoulders up towards our ears. And exhale, letting them drop. Again, inhale. And exhale. A few more times. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Move your shoulders side to side. Hopefully that released a little bit of tension. And now we're going to start with some gentle shoulder circles. Just slowly rotate your shoulders. You might hear some creaks or some pops. Completely normal. Slow and easy, especially if you have any joint pain and joint problems with your shoulders. Now let's reverse directions. These are just slow, easy circles. Now, next up, we're going to bring our awareness down through our arms. Now that we've loosened our shoulders, one more stretch to release the tension through here, through the upper deltoid. We're going to do that by having the opposite hand on the opposite shoulder, tilting your head to one side. This is a great stretch. Just hold that for a moment. Continue to breathe softly and release. And the other side, bring your hand to your shoulder, tilt your head. Just hold here. And this whole upper area ideally will have softened a little bit. So now we're going to start by kneading the deltoid, the upper shoulder area, using the pressure that feels most comfortable to you. And then moving down through the bicep, tricep, around the elbow, and the forearm, and we're finishing around the wrist. Just gently keeping this hand that's not being massaged, let it hang loose. Now the other side. Back to the deltoid. Just a gentle squeeze, just to help loosen up the muscles. Show your body some attention. Moving down through the bicep, tricep, coming down to the elbow, the forearm, and finishing at the wrist. And now pause if you need to. It's time to get either some hand cream or lotion, and then we will massage our hands. All right, you're just going to need a small amount. I live in a desert. My skin gets really dry. Keep your lotion or cream handy in case you need to reapply. You can warm it in your palms at first, and then we are just massaging our hands slowly. And working down through the wrists and the forearms. There's no rush here. After you've applied the lotion and your skin's feeling hydrated, then we'll start with one hand palm up. Take your opposite thumb, and we're going to gently press into the palm, just working all through the center of the hand. And notice any area through here that's especially tight or perhaps even tender. Now we're going to circle around the wrist. You can twist both hands and arms or keep this one still, whatever feels comfortable. And then we'll slowly glide our hand down through the forearm. This encourages circulation. And simply by having our hand up in the air like this, any swelling or puffiness that you might have built up in your hands at the end of a day, this helps to reduce any swelling. We're letting gravity help us and take all of that fluid back up towards the heart. Now we're going to bring our attention to our thumb. Take your opposite index finger. In this area here, at the tip of the thumb, in reflexology, that's associated with the head and the brain. So we're just going to gently press here. You can use either circular motions the way I am, or just gently press, whatever feels comfortable. Just take a few moments and focus on this area. This is especially helpful if you're prone to tension headaches. And now we'll work on the fingers. So taking your index finger and your thumb, we're starting at the base of the finger and simply gliding up along either side, paying special attention to the joints. I have osteoarthritis, and this is especially helpful to reduce any pain and tension that I feel in the joints. As you work up towards the tip of the finger, then you're just going to have a gentle squeeze at the nail and lift up. Move on, same thing with the next finger. Start at the base and work your way up. Once you're at the tip of the nail, then release. Two more, and then we'll move on to the opposite hand. All right, now same thing. Open palm, use your thumb, gentle circles in the center of that palm. It's releasing any tension in the center of your hand. And depending on whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you might have different tension on either side. Finish through there, and we're going to work down through the forearm. Remember again, having our hands in the air, this is a great way to let gravity work with you. Reduce all of that swelling that might be built up in your joints. Now we'll focus on the tip of the thumb. Gentle circular motions, or simply press, whatever feels comfortable. It's just mainly the tip area of the thumb is the reflexology point for the head and the brain. Now we'll finish with the fingers, starting again at the base. Work your way up. And right at the nail, and release. Might have clicking and popping here in your joints as well. So your body's way of releasing excess fluid in the joint. And it might also be a message from your body saying you might be thirsty. Stay hydrated. And last finger. Gently pressing alongside the joint and lifting up. And you can reapply with more lotion if you like. As I said, I live in a desert, so my hands and skin, they're always dry. You can gently let your hands rest softly again in your lap. And as we close, we'll take another slow breath in. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's just shake out our hands. Let your fingers gently point downwards. And notice how they feel now compared to when you began. This is a gentle routine that you can return to anytime, even for just a few minutes, to care for your body and calm your mind. Thank you for joining me and taking this time to care for yourself. If you like this video, check out my reflexology playlist.